Hello and welcome to the TaxTron desktop tutorial video series. In this video we will be going over how to declare foreign income. To report foreign income on your tax return, first make sure you have created a new return and filled out all the necessary information. Then, navigate to the Form Manager and then select and open up the foreign income form. From there, choose the country where you earned your foreign income from the drop-down box in the source country field. In this example, we will be using France. In the next box, please select the type of income you have received. It is important to note that depending on the type of income you select, you may have to fill out a corresponding form. For example, if you are getting foreign rental income, you must also fill out a rental income statement or T776 form. To see how to fill out a rental income statement using our TaxTron T1 desktop software, you can refer to our tutorial video on that topic on our YouTube channel. When filling out the description box for your income, you can provide a brief explanation of the amount received. If the income is in Canadian dollars, there is no need to enter the exchange rate. However, if it is in a different currency, you must input the exchange rate into the designated box or by selecting it from the drop-down menu. TaxTron will take care of converting the currency to Canadian dollars automatically for you. You will then need to provide information about your foreign income and the foreign taxes you paid. Simply fill in the corresponding boxes with the necessary amounts. In this example, we'll report foreign pension income using the exchange rate of the euro from the drop-down menu. Specifically, we'll report an income and foreign tax paid of 10,000 and 1,000 euros respectively. Additionally, if there is a tax treaty deduction, it can be entered in the following box. Once you input this information, the total income displayed here will update to reflect the foreign income and tax you reported. Now when we pull up the tax summary using the Form Manager, both foreign income and employment income are now included in the income section. Additionally, note that the taxpayer is also eligible for federal and provincial foreign tax credits of $19,003.86 and $9,894.95 respectively. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.